Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. Griffin Cooper here at Ablewaytech, and I wanted to go through a quick case study as we continue our deep dive into the SSC morning hook. And this one was on Dan. And so, how did we find the symbol Dan, Dana ankle? That was actually was a fireworks pattern. Well, what I've been seeing actually is that on the daily charts, when we have anything that looks like some kind of trend acceleration on the daily chart, particularly if it's breaking any kind of resistance point, when it breaks that and kind of starts to accelerate as you see the RL10 pulling away from the dragon, those can be strong trends that then translate to a nice low risk idea on the intraday time frame. So this is the daily. Let's jump back then. This one you can see also had a nice unfulfilled gap. It had this large gap up above this important last swing high. Stayed there, didn't close the gap, and continued to mark higher, which made us be easy to believe in the trend there could continue after a brief pullback. That looked like is, well, there was a fireworks signal on our EdgeRater in the critical states template. And as well as there's a strong close here, which seems to, case studies I've looked at, seems to be something when it closes at the high of the day. And then like this, you have a gap up, sell off and kind of this bullish wedge, which then came and capitulated here. And then we get our normal PSAR entry on the 3-minute chart, and this one really worked out well. Typically, this is a nice target to around the open or that RL10 swing high, the intercession high of the day. This one actually went a couple R10s beyond it. And you'll notice it was a very pretty prolonged sell-off. We talk about the GC3. Well, this is GC1, 2, 3, 4, GC5. So it actually sold off 5 R10s, which was a nice precursor to the move. Seeing it on the 74-minute, I think, is also helpful as we take that hybrid approach. This is kind of drilling down, see the gap, and then this seems to be really nice when price is really just strongly moving above the dragon. It's kind of price is kind of marching along. The RL10 is marching along the dragon here, those, and then we see here is our entry where it just pulls back to the edge of the dragon. A really nice setup there, going from the 3-minute chart all the way out to the daily to find a good SSC setup using those fireworks critical states. So kind of a fun one there. Hope that was interesting. Thanks for watching.